Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that iPhone 17 Bluetooth is dropping connection. So actually this is a very important thing to remember, that it's common that sometimes phones aren't that reliable when it comes to the wireless technology, but the first thing you can do is to open the settings and go into Bluetooth. Here, disable Bluetooth, turn off, and wait a moment. Here, now, after some time, just enable the Bluetooth back again. Apart from that, you can go here to the normal menu of the settings, go to the accessibility, and here, now you need to find the sound and name recognition. Tap it and disable sound recognition. Here, when it's disabled, that's nice. This should help you, but if it doesn't, you need to contact device support because your device may be broken. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.